Okay, in order to rename the screenshots, I use something called Jing. It's a screen capture software. So let's just go here and find something that I might want to do a revision of the picture on. Let's go deep here. There's 192. Well, I can already see that this title's no good. As you can see, it starts out with 3 drawers. No wonder this thing's never sold. So I'll just do this picture here. You're gonna click on that, come up here to Jing, click on this capture button, come down here and capture it like that. Capture image. And here's where we want to do the renaming. Right here. Down here where it says name. So this is how you do it. Let me come up with the title first. Okay, I decided to rename the title that. Alright, so coming back down to here where I said this is where we put the new title. Put that down here. Just like that. And then save it. Alright, and then get rid of this one. Add photo. This one here. Alright. Make that the main one. Like that. This should have been accept all, but then if we do it, we might have a problem with the revision. I'll try it. And then I told you we want to put the title here too. No. Not that. I have something called Clip Diary that really is helpful for stuff like that, except I don't want it like that either. I don't know. I should know how to do this. I don't. This is not what I want either. No, don't want that. It might be HTML. No. I probably should ask Rhoda how you do this. Because I don't know how. Or maybe you know how to do it. I just don't know how to do it. Anyway, basically, that's how you do the renaming of the picture. This thing is now ready to be updated. And that's how you do the pictures.